Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Chrome Incognito mode. Open Chrome, click the three dots, and choose New Incognito window to start private browsing. Incognito prevents local history and cookies from being saved, but it does not hide activity from websites, employers, or your internet provider. Use a cookie clearing extension and consider a VPN for stronger privacy. Remember to close all Incognito windows to end the private session securely. Incognito mode keeps your local device cleaner by not storing history or cookies, but it has limits you should know. Websites can still recognize you via IP, logins, or browser fingerprinting, and employers or schools may monitor traffic. If you need temporary sessions for shopping or research, Incognito is handy. Yet for sensitive tasks, consider combining it with a VPN and disabling unnecessary extensions to reduce tracking risks. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to car freshener, perfect when you get into a car after a long browsing session or research marathon. It smells clean and stays strong. I find it funny how a fresh car makes mobile browsing feel professional. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If Incognito misbehaves, simple fixes usually work. Update Chrome, restart the browser, or reboot your device. Remember that some sites block Incognito features, so try a normal window or disable conflicting extensions temporarily. For multi-account testing, use separate profiles instead of many Incognito windows. Lastly, be mindful that downloads and saved bookmarks persist, so clear or manage them after sensitive sessions to keep your device tidy and private.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.